Welcome to the CA Performance Management version 3.1 new feature video, CA Performance Management 3.1 Operational UI Improvements. CA Performance Management 3.1 continues the initiative to increase operational efficiency and simplicity by making workflows easier and by providing quicker access to actionable data. This video will examine key user interface improvements in views, geolocation information, and aggregation techniques that can be invaluable in the ongoing effort to reduce problem-solving time and, by extension, reduce the cost to maintain the productivity of your infrastructure. The hierarchical group model is one of the main design concepts in CA performance management. Organizing groups in a hierarchy is the basic structure which allows for controlled scoping of both reports and monitoring. Two new views allow for a specific or a broad view of your infrastructure as you move up and down the group tree hierarchy, the hierarchical inventory and hierarchical scorecard views. These views leverage the group hierarchy in order to view inventory and performance information respectively. The hierarchical inventory view allows easy and quick access to group or site-based inventory by navigating the group tree included on the left side. The hierarchical scorecard view is an extension to the previous scorecard format and enables viewing of aggregate health and performance information for trialed groups, as well as individualized information for each group's contained inventory. In addition to aggregated group-based health and performance data, CA Performance Management 3.1 scorecards also offer a new health indicator. The presence of this indicator is optional as set in the view configuration and is consistent with the now familiar color scheme employed by scorecards. The indicator calculates a composite value based on the metrics contained in the view, up to 5, where each metric is assigned a weighting to increase or decrease its impact on the overall health score. Note that metric projections can now be added to these views, as shown, which allows for predicting future health and performance trends. Health values are normalized from 0, healthy, to 100, most critical, and criticality is determined by the highest severity state of the contributing metrics. A new view, which uses the same color-coded criticality approach as scorecards, is the card view. It is shown here, just above a scorecard table view. In fact, these two view types are designed to complement each other. Card views enable quick visibility into areas of concern by providing a set of per-metric health cards, which contain criticality counts for a group of items. This helps cut through the noise of data overload and provides a clear indication of any operational or capacity issues which need to be addressed. Like scorecards, the card view enables environment-specific fine-tuning by offering independent thresholds for each metric. These thresholds now have 2 decimal places of accuracy. Additional features such as intelligent hoverovers and dimming of zero counts through increased opaqueness help increase the usability and effectiveness of this view. The new time bar chart view available in CA Performance Management 3.1 addresses the need to understand the health and performance of a monitored item over time. Health views excel at summarizing aggregate health but lack the specificity of trend data. Conversely, trend views offer detailed data points at the expense of an overall health indicator. Time bar chart views offer the best of both worlds by incorporating the now familiar health indicator color scheme into a horizontal time-based bar chart. The use of colors across a timeline allows the operator to quickly spot performance degradation. These views also allow for cross-metric correlation by comparing aligned views stacked vertically. For example, CPU utilization, and interface discards. Views specifying longer time frames, such as the one now shown here, can also aid in spotting emerging patterns. On-demand reports offer a new view type called Chart Per Metric by Single Item, which produces individual single metric trend graphs on a per-item basis. Segregated metric graphing is particularly useful when metric values are widely disproportionate or when units are dissimilar. Multiple charts are grouped by reportable item, whether that item is a group, device, or component, as determined by the metric calculate level specified by the view. The user specifies the number of columns used in the view, as well as the number of metrics. This allows for control of the chart layout, for easier multi-metric correlation. CA Performance Management 3.1 offers a map view which continues the trend of recent releases by extending the geolocation information available in the product. This view allows for visualization of site locations and the tunnels between them. Tunnel connection lines are color-coded based on health metrics, and visible connections can be limited to only those in a critical state. A built-in health panel displays several key metrics for both tunnels and site edge routers. Just as the map view enables analytics based on location, geolocation information has been added to other areas of the product to help assess the location of key infrastructure. This can be especially critical in the case of having to quickly address crippling problems. Sites, like devices before them, now have explicit geolocation attributes: longitude, latitude, and elevation. In addition, device geolocation attribute values are now synchronized from the data aggregator to CA Performance Center for inclusion in the inventory and table views. For more detailed information about CA Performance Management 3.1 operational UI improvements, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there you can go to product documentation, visit the CA communities, or see the learning path.